Hey guys, what is up? And I'm going to be showing you a $650 PC build, 2000, what do you call it, 2014. So let's get into it. So when I go with an Intel Core i5 2005, 2500K. Oh my gosh, I messed up a lot. It's a quad-core processor with the CPU cooler, and a MC400. This thing could clock at 3.7, 3.8 gigahertz, get a lot, probably 4 gigahertz. So that is very nice for at the very beginning. It comes out at $180, and the CPU cooler is $30. So for the motherboard, we're gonna go with a Gigabyte G8H61M S2 PVR. This is a micro ATX motherboard. It is 50, basically $60. So for our memory, we're gonna go with a Kingston Fury Series 8 gigabyte. It's at 1600 megahertz. It's coming at $75. So if you get another one of this, you can get 16 gigabytes, and you just pop it right in there. So for our storage, we're gonna go with a Western Digital Kevlar Blue 500 gigabyte. It's a 3.5 and it spins at 7200 RPM. It comes at $50. So for a video card, this is a good video card. It's a DTX 760 2GB video card. Now this is gonna play Battlefield 4 Ultra settings, like anywhere from 50 to 70 FPS, which is very nice. So for a case, we're gonna go with a NZX Source 210 window ATX mid tower case. This is very amazing case. It's very good. This is the case I'm gonna get for my little brother, and yes, it's just a good case, 5 stars. Power supply. We're gonna go with a Rosewell 450 watt, 80 plus bronze certified ATX power supply. This is $25, and the case is also $30. Okay, so for case fan, we're gonna go with a Bitfinex. It's a 230 millimeter fan. This should keep it cool. If not, just throw in like 2 more 120 millimeter fans. So this comes out at well, not 100, but $650. And this can play any games, ultra settings, 1080p. So, hope you guys liked the video. Please comment, rate, and subscribe, and see you in the next video.